The Vansuny 2TB NVMe SSD delivers exceptional performance with its PCIe 4.0 interface, offering lightning-fast read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second. With a substantial storage capacity of 2 terabytes, this solid-state drive can accommodate a vast array of AAA games, high-resolution videos, and large design files, making it an excellent choice for gamers and content creators. Equipped with a built-in heatsink, the Vansuny SSD ensures optimal thermal management, preventing overheating during extensive gaming sessions or demanding workloads. This NVMe SSD boasts universal compatibility, allowing for seamless integration with Windows PCs and laptops, making it a versatile upgrade option for various systems. The premium bundle includes everything needed for a complete upgrade, featuring a high-quality heatsink, screwdrivers, and custom stickers, catering to tech enthusiasts and DIY builders. Designed for speed and reliability, the Vansuny 2TB NVMe SSD is an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their system's performance and storage capabilities.